Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
And today we're in southern Indiana at our home. And as you can see behind me, we've had an ice storm. Our trees are encased in ice. Today, we're gonna give you part 2 of the Louisville Boat and RV show.
Video a big thumbs up, and if you would, go ahead and subscribe to our channel right down here. It really helps us.
Last week in part 1, we showed you campers, RVs, and coaches. This week we're going to show you the boats and the recreational vehicles that they had at the Boat and RV show. You'll want to stay tuned to the end of this video and see us as we slide down the hill of ice. You don't want to miss it. At this show, they had every kind of boat you could imagine. Canoes, kayaks, pontoons, speedboats, houseboats, fishing boats, all kinds of boats. Some of the boats that we saw were huge and quite pricey. We even ran across these guys playing cornhole.
I'm T, and I'm always winning, going against him. I'm making the money today.
Yeah. Here we go.
To our booth, yeah.
Going down.
As you can see.
They also had golf carts, recreational vehicles, and lawnmowers. They had a booth that simulated fishing. It was quite interesting. They also had a place set up where children could actually fish. As we climbed up on top of the boat, we could see all across the Exposition Center.
All right, guys, here we go.
joining us today, guys, for part 2 of the Louisville Boat and RV Show. We hope you enjoyed seeing the boats and all the recreational vehicles.
Guys, we had a great time, and if you've never been to the boat and RV show in Louisville, Kentucky, make sure in 2023 you put it on your calendars. I tell you, you will be amazed at all the great things they have at the show.
We'll see you next time on Retired
And Loving It.